New messages. And 23. Saved messages. New messages.
Good morning, Janessa. It's a bit early that I'm ringing you. I got up early today, and the first thing that I did, all my bits and pieces I had to do, and then I thought of you. I thought I'd give you a ring first. So, good morning, Janessa. Today being Monday morning. Okay, Janessa. All right, someone's giving me their cough. We know it is something that's anyway, Janessa, okay, everything's great. Now, first thing I might nothing to do with Janessa. As I said, I'll give you a ring first thing. Good morning. And I'll give you another ring later on, okay, Janessa? This is your other Jennifer speaking to you. I'm perfectly all right. I've just got a tickle in my throat. That's all it is. No need to concern. And I'll give you another ring later on, Janessa, okay?